Gak nyangka banget Indonesia masuk sebagai negara dengan trilingual terbanyak di dunia.
Diketahui bahwa Indonesia merupakan salah satu negara yang menjadi top 5 ataupun 5 besar kemampuan dalam berbahasa lebih dari satu bahasa. Contohnya yang biasa disebut dengan trilingual, yaitu bisa berbahasa lebih dari 3. Diketahui data ini disampaikan bahwa Indonesia menduduki peringkat pertama setelah 5 negara lainnya seperti ada negara Spanyol, negara Cina, Israel, dan lain-lain. Kita tahu bahwa Indonesia sendiri memiliki lebih dari 700 bahasa daerah dan dipersatukan dengan bahasa Indonesia. Tentu saja setiap daerah memiliki bahasanya masing-masing dan membuat ketika berkomunikasi antara satu daerah dengan daerah lainnya menggunakan bahasa daerah, dan ketika bertemu tentu saja dengan menggunakan bahasa pemersatu Indonesia. Dan kemampuan ini memang sudah terbukti membuat kita negara Indonesia menjadi negara yang banyak sekali memiliki kemampuan lebih dari satu bahasa.
I don't think anybody, what Indonesian people should tell English-speaking tourists when they have to deal with them? Can you please slow down a bit? English is my 4th language, or 5th, or 6th. I don't think anybody really knows that Indonesian people speak multiple languages fluently. I only found out about this like a few weeks ago. So I think the English-speaking tourists really need a reality check. And I made a video about this a while ago, but I don't think it reached enough tourists. In most cases, they only speak one language, which is English. They don't realize the difficulties when you learn that foreign language and you have to use it. So it's really hard for them to put themselves in our shoes, people who learned English as a foreign language. I think they just need to be educated. If every single Indonesian person that they would meet would tell them, can you please slow down, English is my 4th language or 5th language or something, they would be like, what? Everybody keeps saying that they speak 4 or 5 languages, so their mind is going to be a little bit more open, I hope. Because I think everybody assumes, just like I did, super ignorantly, right? Because I wasn't educated in this enough, and it's my fault because I should have looked into it, but I didn't. And I'm pretty sure a lot of people don't either because they just come here to vacation, right? And I must say, not all tourists are the same. Not all tourists behave like this. This is more directed to people who don't really understand that English, yes, is a universal language, but not everybody knows it as a second or an official language. And people who have learned different languages, they will behave appropriately, like they will adjust their speech. It's more about people who have never learned a foreign language, so they just assume everybody should know English because English is the only language of the world. English is lingua franca.
Ada di Indonesia cukup lama dan belajar budaya Indonesia. Sekarang saya tahu kenapa orang-orang Indonesia sangat pintar belajar bahasa. Itu karena orang Indonesia terbiasa mendengar dan bicara lebih dari 3 bahasa. Bahasa Indonesia wajib, bahasa daerah, dan bahasa Inggris yang diajarkan di sekolah. Yang membuat saya kaget adalah bahasa daerah di Indonesia ada sekitar 700 bahasa. Wah, 대박. Tidak heran karena bahasa Jawa saja sangat variatif. Kalian keren banget. Sebutkan bahasa yang kamu kuasai. Sam yakin pasti ada lebih dari 2 kan?
Marki chop guys. You can't moco iki kecuali awakmu trilingual. Being trilingual kuwi salah siji hal paling seru saat dunia. Think about it sedilit wae. Kowe iso menggunakan 3 different languages di saat yang sama nganti utakmu meh bleduk karena cepatnya switch from one language ke basa yang satu lagi. Tapi kowe iso ngerti dan bikin kamu ngerasa spesial di saat yang sama. Makanya kowe unik bahwa you can read this text tanpa harus diartiin kabeh teksnya ning utek kuwi talent yang gak dimiliki too many people. Mayoritas wong struggle to read just one sentence, tapi sing mbok lakoni itu tanda kejeniusan mutlak. Iso moco teks yang complicated in 3 languages secara bersamaan berarti kowe iku nerd dan someone who finds joy soal bahasa. Reading this text dalam 3 bahasa mesti give your brain a nice little olahraga. Makanya kowe mesti nge-share ning medsos, suwun banget wis moco ini dan have a great day.